Welcome. If you want to change keyboard theme in your Niteo Tools Titan, for the first you have to go for the settings. Right now let's scroll down and go for the language and input. Here we have to tap on the Android keyboard and select appearance and layouts. Go for the theme. As you can see here we got 4 themes, so we can go for the hollow blue. And right now it's selected, so we can go back and check if our theme has changed. And I'm going to check it in this messages application. And as you can see here we got our new keyboard theme on the Niteo Tools Titan. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.